Hello students, welcome back to English Grammars class. In the last video, we studied simple present tense of chapter number 11. Today we are going to understand present continuous tense. Now here, present continuous tense means the process which is ongoing, that is present continuous tense. Am, is, are plus verb plus ing. If ing is there means it is continuous tense. Always keep this in your mind. Whenever in the verb there is ing, that is continuous tense. Now in your textbook this is given present continuous tense. We use present continuous tense to describe any activity that is happening now. The sumo wrestlers are holding the babies. A baby is crying. These all things are present continuous tense. To use present continuous tense, we use am, is, are plus verb plus ing form. Here one table is given by which you are going to make sentence. So always keep this in your mind. When you are using I, you will use am. When you are using you, then you will use are. In he, she, it, is will be used. So third person singular, always there will be is, otherwise we will use are, and with I you will use am. Now here is one image that you can copy in your book also. Subject plus helping verb plus main verb. So here the subject I you will use am, he, she, it, is, and we, you, they you will use are. So main verb will be your base form plus ing form. Now in your book this exercise is given. Look around you, write 5 sentences describing what you see. Remember to use the present continuous tense. Here you have to make 5 sentences and you have to use present continuous tense. The students of class 5 are studying about present continuous tense. Our teacher is telling us a story. I am reading the newspaper. My friends are playing soccer. He is writing a poem. So you can make sentences by your own also. Now, what is the difference between present simple and present continuous tense? Babies cry when they feel scared. People, please don't make too much noise. The babies are crying now. So here we say that the babies usually cry, right, when they feel scared. So this present simple means the process which is natural and which is almost happening. That is simple present, while present continuous means which is ongoing now. We can read the last one. Where do you live? We live in Chennai, but this week we are staying with our aunt in Bangalore. So at present you are staying where? So that you will use in present continuous tense. So now what are the common errors you usually make while writing the sentence? Double negatives. In a sentence, if 2 negatives are present, they cancel each other out to make a positive. In mathematics, we know minus minus plus, right? So same way, if 2 negative words are there, then it will change into a positive. So that is not accepted in grammatical form. I don't know nothing. What is this? This is wrong. You will say that I don't know anything. I don't see nothing. Again, this is wrong. 2 negative words. That is wrong. I don't see anything. That is correct. They don't never stop. They don't ever stop. Now, given below is some information about another strange festival. Use the verbs in the box below to complete the sentences using simple present or present continuous tense. Here you are given the options and you are going to fill the blanks. People near Gloucester in England celebrate an annual event called Cooper's Hill Cheese Rolling and Wag Festival. The organizers roll a 3 kg round of the double clustered cheese down the Cooper's Hill. Many race down the hill after it. The first person to reach the first line at the bottom of the hill wins the cheese. So this way you are going to fill the blanks. Still it is continued. Today is Monday, 27th May. Many people are climbing the Cooper's Hill to watch the competition. See, now if you want to watch the competition, you will do the present continuous tense, right? You will climb to see the competition. It is 10 am now and official is getting ready to roll the cheese down the hill. Around 40 competitors just a minute are taking positions to throw themselves after the cheese. 10:05 the officials rolls the cheese round the hill downhill. The competitors are rushing after the cheese round. The competitors are running after the cheese round. So all will rush towards the cheese round, all will run towards the cheese round. Then Carrie Pat from Cardiff is heading towards the finish line. Carrie Pat is holding the cheese round over his head. He is the winner. Now here you have to read these sentences and you have to say that whether it is simple present or present continuous tense. So this you will easily come to know. If ing form is there means it is a continuous tense, and if ing is not there then it is a simple present tense. So I go to my dance class every evening. So here the process is ongoing, there is no ing form, right? So this is simple present tense. Second one, Sheila is painting a picture in her art class. So here again see painting is there, so it will be present continuous tense. The clown is juggling 5 balls. Again this is ing form, so it is a continuous tense. Anoop's mother is hugging him. Again here ing, so it is continuous tense. I am making a card for my best friend's birthday. Now here again making is a continuous tense. And last one, on Sundays I go to my grandmother's house. So this is simple present tense. So here the chapter is over, students. If you are having any doubt, you can ask in the live class. Bye bye. Have a nice day.